Hey everyone, welcome back to App Mentor. Today, let me show you how you can turn off Autopay and Google Pay. This is a simple process, so watch this quick video until the end and follow the steps to do it yourself. First, let's start by opening the Google Pay app on your mobile phone. After opening the app, log into your account. To turn off Autopay, click on your profile picture in the upper right corner. Next, click your data and wallet and then click Manage Payments Data. This will open a new tab, and in here, click the personalization within Google Play. Make sure to turn off the personalization within Google Pay in order to disable it. If this video was helpful, make sure to leave a thumbs up and subscribe for more tutorials. Thank you for tuning in.